In today's video, I'm going to share with you 6 side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your home. Sorry, I hate to break this. But guys, your job doesn't care about you. Yes, and I'm sure you probably know that by now. If you notice what happened during the pandemic, people were laid off without blinking. Yes, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can become your own boss by working from the comfort of your home and doing things that you love at your own convenience. If this is something you're interested in, why not keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new here, by all means, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I see the likes, I see the way you share my videos, I see the love, and I see every single thing that you guys have done for me. Thank you. So please introduce yourselves. I'm going to introduce myself in the course of today's video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's business. So come with me, let's go. In today's video, you will learn how to make money online from your phone. I know life is too short to keep saying no to the things that you enjoy just because money is tight. And the solution is not just about working harder. It's about working smarter with digital skills that help you make money online from anywhere in the world using just your phone. And I'm going to be sharing with you step-by-step blueprints on how you can make money from the comfort of your home. Come with me, let's go. So guys, the first one on my list is to become an online events planner. Guys, online events planning has grown immensely in demand. From organizing virtual weddings to corporate webinars, you can provide a valuable service to clients worldwide. You can use tools like Zoom and Trello to stay organized, and platforms like LinkedIn can be used to market your services, I tell you. Now, another thing you can do is to become a drop shipper. Guys, shipping on eBay allows you to sell products without holding inventory, and you can partner with suppliers who ship directly to your customers. Focus on high demand, low competition niches, and use tools like AutoDS to automate your listings. Another way to make money free of charge is by creating a Patreon membership. Yes, you can monetize your content by creating a Patreon page and offer exclusive content like behind the scenes access, tutorials, early releases to your loyal audience. It works for creators like artists, like podcasters, like writers, like grant writers, and what have you. Now, do you know that you can also sell online workshops? Yes, you heard me right. Do you know that you can actually turn your expertise into an interactive experience just by hosting online workshops? So whether it's cooking, photography, personal finance, people are eager to learn. And there are platforms like Zoom or Teachable. They make it easy to host and market your workshops. Guys, another thing you can do is transcript on services. Now, transcription services are in high demand for industries like legal, medical, and media. You can convert your audio or video files into text and get paid per project or per hour. And there are websites like rev.com or transcribeme.com that will help you to build your portfolio. Now, the next one on my list is something that you might have heard a couple of times, but maybe you haven't taken it into consideration, and it is starting a blog. Yes, I know. Yes, blogs are actually very lucrative. Did you hear of the blogger that makes millions of dollars every single month? Yes, millions of dollars every single month doing what she loves. I'm going to put her name on the screen so that you understand that people are actually living the life, and it is for real, like for real. You can actually make money doing the things that you love. How do you start a blog? By just writing articles and publishing those articles periodically. This is the first thing you need to do. First, you need to secure a domain name. Yes, a domain name is your domain name.com. It can be miriamadepoju.com or free, it can be anything at all that you want. It can be makemoneyonline.com, something like that. You can create a website for yourself on GoDaddy. I not only tell you what to do, I also give you step-by-step ways to actually bring it to life, make it possible, how to execute or how to actually, make these things work. Now, go to GoDaddy.com and purchase the domain name. I think that's about the only thing that you are spending money on. When you purchase your domain name, then go on platforms like hashnode.com. I know a lot of people will be telling you, go to Bluehost. Bluehost will charge you every month. Bluehost will charge you every month. And I'm not saying they are not good or anything like that, but I'm telling you that you still have to market it. So what is the point? I look at my CBA. I was former banker. As a former banker, And as an accountant, yes, it's in the blood. I do my cost benefit analysis before I make a decision on whatever it is I want to do. If they were offering unique value, like if they are pushing my blog, it's a different ball game, But what I want you guys to do is, if you're okay with, what's it called, Bluehost, then you can go with Bluehost. But Ashnode is free of charge. So all you need to do is purchase your domain name, then go to ashnode.com and begin to publish your blog. Now, after publishing your blog, it doesn't end there, now. Oh yeah, go to pinterest.com and promote your blog on Pinterest. Also promote your blog on Twitter. Promote it on Facebook. Just promote it on your various social media platforms. Text all your friends. Send a text message or create like a group, maybe like a WhatsApp group, and share your blog, to all of them at the same time, just to save your time, instead of sending it to one person, like 200 people one by one. You can send it to everybody in that group. If you have 200 people in the group, send it once and that's it. Once you send it once, everybody sees it on their phone. So yes, go ahead and create your blog today. Once you hit 50,000 views or 50,000 readers, then you can monetize your blog. All you need to do is take that blog straight to mediavine.com. Yes, go to Mediavine, submit your blog. They will access your blog and review it and approve it for monetization. Another way to monetize your blog is by using Google AdSense. Yes, Google starts to advertise on your blog and you get paid at the end of each month. Now, besties, this is something that you all can try out today. I know you've been searching online, you've been looking for ways to make money. These are practical ways to make money. I am doing it. If I can do it, trust me, you can do it as well. And now, if you have not introduced yourselves yet, I would like to remind you here at this point, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I wasn't joking. Introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know and I'd like to meet you. You want me to change it for you? Just kidding. Go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world I see you from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I love you. I got so much love for you guys. Thank you. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share various ways to make money from the comfort of your home. We're not playing, so it's all about making money, man. So yes, that's all about it in today's episode. Please do want to like this video, do want to share this video and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and bye for now. Let me go and start making money. We're not here to play. I'll see you guys in my next video.